how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try my hip pad on my sister who is thicker than me, because on my previous video most of you asked me to try the hip pad on someone who is thicker or slimmer than me. So in today's video, my sister is going to try it on, and then on one of my videos I'll use my baby sister because she's slim. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And just comment down below, guys, what you think, if you feel like it looks fake, if it looks natural. Yeah, so I have a medium size on, because also most of you are asking me on my previous video what size I wear a medium size, and I have it on. This is how it looks in this dress. And then also there are some of the questions that most of you have been asking me, if they can wear them in short dresses, in silk dress. If you've watched my previous videos, I've answered most of the questions actually. This is the large. So she's just going to try it on and try it in different outfits. So guys, as you can see, my sister is thicker and also she has thick thighs. So let her just try them on and comment down below, guys, if you feel like it looks natural or if it looks fake. I'm just going to insert the pads on both sides. So if you watched my previous video, I actually answered most of the questions about this shapewear. If you wear them in multicolored outfits, it might not show, but then it might show in some of the outfits, and also it might look exaggerated in some of the outfits. So in my first try on video, I actually tried it in different outfits and also told you like it might show, the hooks might show, or the pad might show in some outfits, and also it might look exaggerated in some outfits. So if you haven't watched that first video, I'll put a link in the description box down below because it was a detailed video. So what do you think, guys? Do you think like it looks exaggerated, or it looks natural, or it has balance with her body? And then also the hooks are not showing because this outfit is multicolored. She's also going to try it in a plain colored outfit. So this one is medium size and she's one size large. It for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it entertaining, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.